welcome to Cooking with Countryside. My name is Melissa and today we are making a pawpaw smoothie. So what you're gonna need from the market is a pawpaw, ginger, honey, and spinach or any greens of your choice. And then things that you'll need from home are some kind of milk or water and ice. And the only equipment you'll need is a blender and then a knife and a spoon to scoop out the pawpaw. So to start, basically this recipe is real simple. We're just throwing everything in a blender. So we're gonna get half a cup of spinach and we really wanna pack that in. So I did this ahead of time. So you're actually gonna get a lot of spinach out of this little half cup. And then you can just throw that in your blender. Next would be the ginger. So we're gonna use about 1/2 inch. So I already have a piece here and you can just throw that right in because the blender will do all the chopping for you. And then the next is the pawpaw. So the pawpaw is actually an Ohio native fruit, which is really cool. They have a very short shelf life, so when you get it, you'll wanna eat it soon. But how we do this is my first time eating a pawpaw too, so this is exciting. So you don't eat the skin, so if you cut it in half, and when I was talking to the farmers at the market, they said that you can just scoop it out with a spoon if you're eating it, and then take out the seeds. So it's very like custardy in the middle. So you can either use a spoon or your fingers. We're just gonna use the entire pawpaw and get as much out as possible. And this is a little messy if you're using your fingers. But I'm just gonna try to weed these seeds out. And a little history is that, again, the pawpaw is native to the northeast United States, and according to Wikipedia, so maybe not the most reliable, but they say that some of the early presidents like George Washington and Thomas Jefferson used to eat a cold pawpaw as their dessert. So this has been around for a long time, but since it has such a short shelf life, that's normally why you don't see it in a normal grocery store, which is also why you should visit your farmer's market so you can find cool things like the pawpaw. Okay, so that's all scraped out. Rinse my fingers. The last two ingredients are gonna be honey. We're gonna use about 1 tablespoon. That's just gonna make it a tiny bit sweeter. Maybe a little bit more. And then milk or water of your choice. I'm gonna say about 1/4 cup. You can always add more. That's gonna help your smoothie just blend together nicely. And then we're gonna add ice. Again, there's no like measurement for the ice. It's just as needed. It's gonna help keep it cold. I'm probably just gonna use my whole tray here. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 9 ice cubes. And then easy peasy, we just blend it all together. And you got that green color because of the spinach, but it's still gonna be super sweet, I promise. And then just pour it into your cup. And you're ready to go. And so as you can see, this is definitely just 1 serving. It's not a big smoothie, so I would say it's probably like snack sized. So if you want to double the recipe and make it like a meal, go for it. And so if you're interested in learning about how you can get the ingredients to make this smoothie, visit countrysidefoodandfarms.org. Thank you.